While everyone's talking about AI taking jobs, there's one profession that's more in demand than ever. Chip design engineers are making between $200,000 and $500,000 a year in Silicon Valley. And the shortage is real. I'm going to show you exactly how to break into this field and land one of these high paying jobs. Look at these numbers. The salary range 200K to 500K annually. By 2030, we'll need 300,000 more chip designers globally. And job security 98%. This isn't just a job, it's a career that's practically recession proof. Here's what's happening. Every AI model, like ChatGPT, needs custom silicon. Tesla's self-driving cars, they run on specialized chips. Your smartphone, gaming consoles, crypto mining, cloud computing, everything runs on chips that someone has to design. And right now, companies like Nvidia, Apple, and AMD are fighting over qualified talent. Now, let me be real with you. Chip design isn't just coding, it's hard engineering. You need to understand physics, electronics, and computer architecture all at once. You'll work with industry tools like Cadence, Synopsys, and Mentor Graphics. You'll design circuits with billions of transistors, where one mistake can cost millions of dollars. But that's exactly why they pay you six figures, because you're solving problems most engineers can't solve. Here's the difference. Software engineering roles get over 200,000 applicants per position. The market is saturated. But chip design? Only 5 qualified candidates per role. The software job market is overcrowded, but chip design positions are untouchable. Once you're in, you have unmatched job security. So, how do you get there? Here's your roadmap. Step one, build your foundation. You need a degree in electrical engineering or computer engineering. If you don't have one, get a master's in VLSI or take specialized courses. Learn Verilog and System Verilog. These are your programming languages for hardware. Step two, master the tools. Get hands-on with Cadence and Synopsys, the industry standards. If you can't access them, practice with open source alternatives to build your skills. Step three, choose your specialty. Front-end design means creating the logic. That's 150K plus starting salary. Back-end is physical layout. Verification is quality control. Each path pays well. Pick one and go deep. Step four, build your portfolio. Use platforms like OpenRoad and Skywater PDK to design actual open source chips. Document everything on GitHub. Show potential employers you can take a project from concept to completion. Step five, network strategically. Join IEEE. Attend conferences like DAC and ISCCC. Connect with engineers on LinkedIn. Here's the secret. Silicon Valley runs on referrals. One solid connection can land you a 200K job faster than 100 cold applications. Step six, target the right companies. Tier one includes Nvidia, Apple, AMD, Intel, and Qualcomm. Tier 2 startups like Cerebras, Tensorium, and Sci5 are desperate for talent and often offer competitive packages with massive upside potential. Now, chip design interviews are completely different from software interviews. You'll design circuits on a whiteboard. They'll give you timing closure problems. They'll test your understanding of clock domains and metastability. Practice on sites like Chip Verify and VLSI Expert. Technical depth matters way more than breadth here. And when you get that offer, never, and I mean never, accept the first offer. Chip designers have leverage. The average negotiation gain is over $50,000. Your total compensation has three parts: base salary, stock options, and signing bonus. All of it is negotiable. Here are the must have technical skills: RTL design and verification, languages like Verilog, System Verilog, and JUVM, proficiency with EDA tools, deep understanding of digital logic and timing analysis, computer architecture knowledge, and the ability to solve complex problems under constraints like power, performance, and area. Who's hiring right now? NVIDIA is leading in AI chips and data centers. Apple with their Silicon Revolution and M series chips. AMD in CPU and GPU competition. Intel's massive foundry expansion. Qualcomm for mobile and automotive. And hot startups like Cerebras, Grok, and Tensorium. Even cloud companies, Google's TPU team and AWS Graviton, are constantly hiring. What do you need to invest? Time, 6 to 12 months of focused learning. Money, anywhere from $0 to $30,000 for degrees, courses, and tools. Effort, daily practice in building real projects. Networking, attending conferences and meetups. And patience, building a strong portfolio takes time. But the return, a $200,000 to $500,000 salary plus stock options that could be worth millions. Here's a realistic timeline. Months 0 through 3, master the foundations and Verilog basics. Months 4 through 6, advanced skills like UVM and tool proficiency. Months 7 through 9, build portfolio projects. Months 10 through 12, interview prep and applications. Months 12 through 15, receive offers and negotiate. The result? A high-paying job in Silicon Valley. Don't make these common mistakes. Don't treat it like software development. Don't skip the fundamentals in digital logic. Don't neglect building a portfolio. Don't ignore networking opportunities. Don't apply without referrals. And don't accept the first offer without negotiating. Instead, focus on depth over breadth, build real projects, and actively network. The future is chips. AI compute needs are growing 10 times yearly. The semiconductor market will hit $1 trillion by 2030, and it's now a critical national security priority. This industry isn't going anywhere, it's only accelerating. Here's what you need to do today. 1. Like this presentation if it helped you. 2. Comment chip design if you're serious about this career path. 3. Subscribe for more insider strategies. 4. Download the complete roadmap from the link in the description. 5. Start your first Verilog project this week. Don't wait. The AI revolution needs you to design the chips. While everyone else is learning to prompt AI, you'll be building the actual hardware that runs it. That's real power. That's real money. Your $300,000 career starts right now. I'll see you in Silicon Valley. Let's go.